CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, I think we've got a couple more days here of being under the gun for the threat of additional rainfall that could cause more flooding. I know there's a lot of flooding ongoing, but it could make the situation a little bit worse. But for the moment, it looks like the trend is down in terms of heavy rain. There are some showers out there now. They're moving quickly, some strong wind gusts with the showers. Earlier line of showers moved through the upper Keys, Key Largo, and some folks down there saying this is the worst we've seen from it the whole storm. Now, these little showers are going to be moving through, some gusty winds with it, but they're moving right along. They're not too well lined up, so I don't think that they're going to cause a big flooding problem. But look at this. This is Eta right here coming up to the north now, starting to lift north. And the rain shield is spreading towards the lower Keys, light rain now in Key West. The breeze is going to be coming up as well as we go through the night tonight and then drop off slowly during the day tomorrow. Here's the latest advisory, and folks in the Tampa Bay area really need to take note of this because the storm is only 10 miles an hour below hurricane strength. Remember, we dealt with this when was it, Sunday? We dealt with this Sunday and Sunday night, and then now it is moving to the north where tropical storm warnings are in effect. It could be close to hurricane strength as it gets up there along the west Florida coast here. This is the Wednesday evening position, Thursday morning position, and of course the yellow area shows the true threat for tropical storm conditions, and then it pretty much stalls out here. But any sharp return here, that's a bad angle for Tampa Bay because the way the bay faces could see some serious storm surge flooding. In terms of the latest models, they're coming into better agreement here now. They kind of were all over the place for a while, but now in pretty good agreement that it's going to go to the north, northeast, and then turn and cut the state across. And as I've seen many folks say, man, Eta just does not like Florida. Doesn't seem that way. There's the moisture with it, and it is forecast to move to the north. We're still on that edge of the moisture, so any really heavy showers or any showers that do come through can produce those brief downpours. Even on Thursday, we're in the moisture tail. Friday, the moisture tail begins to thin out, and guess what? By the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, there comes the drier air, just a few showers. I think it's looking really good. Besides Eta is Theta out there in the northeast Atlantic, and then we've got a strong tropical wave that's coming across the Caribbean there in the eastern Caribbean. It is forecast to develop into the next tropical depression, which would be 31. But right now, most of the models take it just drifting to the west, although it does spend some time down there in the Caribbean. Feels like temperatures, it's a warm and humid evening in November. Temperatures feels like wise mid to upper 80s. The breeze has been gusting anywhere from 35 to 45 miles an hour in some of those showers and blowing pretty good right now in the lower Keys, 24 sustained in Key West. For us tonight, we're going to see some spotty storms, gusty downpours, not too widespread, but a bit heavier in the Keys, a low temperature in the mid-70s, upper 70s tomorrow. Humid breeze for everybody, gusty storms, especially in the Keys, and a high temperature near 84 degrees. On the water, still blowing pretty good out there, 4 to 8 foot seas, and taking us through the rest of the weekend. Still some storms around Wednesday and Thursday, but looking better as we get into the weekend. CBS 4 News Tonight's coming right back.